What's up, guys? You came over to see what's going on? Huh? Here comes some more. They think we got something. Let's see if we got some goldfish over here. Look at all them goldfish down there. I don't know if the camera can pick this up or not. I don't know. Let's say I'll use my polarizing sunglasses lens and see if that helps. Yeah, maybe you can see all the goldfish down there. There's some 2-pounders. They all look like they're a good pound apiece. I know, we're just passing through. I'm just passing through. Huh? Sitting on a bunch of eggs. Huh? Oh yeah. Holding my polarized glasses over to see if you can see all them goldfish out there. There's some doozies, let me tell you. Whole school of them. Cool deal. Kaylin, we're at the duck park. You're missing out. See you later.